In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze selected rows in Excel. We'll be working in Microsoft Excel, and this is a very useful feature to know if you often work with larger spreadsheets. Freezing rows allows certain rows to stay visible while you scroll down through the rest of the worksheet. This is especially helpful when you want to keep column headings or other important information on screen so you don't lose track of what each section of data means. To begin, open Microsoft Excel and create a worksheet where you can follow along. For this example, enter a small set of sample data into cells A1 through D5. You can use headers like Employee ID, Employee Name, Department, and Salary in the first row, and then add a few example records underneath. The exact values are not the main focus here, so any similar practice data will work fine. The goal is simply to have a header row and several rows of information below it, so you can see how freezing works as you scroll. Once your data is in place, let's start by freezing the first row. Go to the View tab in the Excel ribbon at the top of the screen. In that tab, click Freeze Panes, and then choose Freeze Top Row. As soon as you do that, Excel will lock the first row in place. Now, when you scroll down the worksheet, that top row will remain visible. This makes it much easier to read your data because your headings stay on screen the entire time. If you want to freeze more than one row, Excel can do that as well. The key is to select the row directly below the last row you want to freeze. For example, if you want rows 1 through 3 to remain visible, click on row 4 first. After selecting that row, go back to the View tab, choose Freeze Panes, and then click Freeze Panes again from the drop-down menu. Excel will freeze all rows above the row you selected, which means rows 1 through 3 will stay in place while you scroll down the sheet. One important tip to remember is that Excel freezes all rows above the selected cell or row. Because of that, always make sure you select the row immediately below the last row you want to keep visible. That small detail makes all the difference and helps you avoid freezing the wrong section of the worksheet. And that's how to freeze selected rows in Excel, whether you want to keep just the top row visible or several rows at once.